Okay, so in this video, I am going to show you how to do indefinite integral by using substitution method and formula method. Okay, so when you want to use substitution method or formula method, when you are given a function in the form of ax plus b power of n, where your n cannot be -1, but it can be any number such as 2, 1 over 2, 4, and so on lah. Okay, so when you are given a function in the form of ax plus b power of n, so you can solve by two methods, which is substitution method and formula method. Okay, so for substitution method, first step, you have to let u equal to ax plus b, and then you have to find dx in form of, okay, first you let u equal to ax plus b. Okay, second step, okay, this is the first step. So second step, you have to find the differentiation of u in terms of x. Okay, so you will do du over dx. Okay, and then you get the answer. Then you have to change the equation in the form of dx. Okay, later I show you example on how to solve by using substitution method. So second is formula method. So formula method, if you are given the equation, then what you have to do is, okay, first in the bracket does not change anything. Okay, so you just copy in the bracket ax plus b, and then the power increase by 1. Okay, as you know, integration power increase by 1. Okay, then you divide by a means that you have to differentiate inside the bracket. Okay, so you differentiate, you get a, and then multiply by the new power lah, which is n plus 1, and then since this is the indefinite integral, so must have plus c. Okay, so okay, I show you on how to solve the example by using both methods, substitution and formula method. Okay, so first using substitution method. Okay, there are three steps on how to use substitution method, which is the first one, you have to let u. Okay, let u equal to function ax plus b. So in this question, ax plus b as the denominator. So you let u equal to 2x minus 5. Okay, so second step, you have to find the differentiation. Okay, so du over dx equal to 2. Differentiate 2x, you get 2. Differentiate -5, 0. Okay, so second step, you want to find dx in terms of du lah. Okay, so since you are given du over dx, so you want to find dx over du first. So you have to inverse. Okay, so inverse the equation, so you get 1 over 2. Okay, so we want dx only, so du move to the other side, so you get 1 over 2 du. Okay, so after you have complete the three step, okay, so the last one, you substitute back into the equation, which is integrate 4 over, so 2x minus 5. Okay, 2x minus 5 is your u. Okay, so substitute u squared. Okay, so since 2x minus 5 is u, so you substitute here u squared, sebab ada squared kat sini. Okay, dx you get in the third step, which is 1 over 2 du. So multiply here, 1 over 2 du. Okay, so then you expand 2 and 4, simplify, dapat 2. So dapat integrate 2. Okay, since u as your denominator, as I said, integration and differentiation cannot be denominator, so you bring as a numerator, so you get u power of -2 du. Okay, then we do integration, so integrate, dapat u 2. Okay, u power increase by 1, so dapat u power of -1. Okay, divide by the new power, which is -1, since this is indefinite integral, plus c. Okay, so final answer. Okay, since the question say integrate the given function of x. Okay, so you get the answer in the form of u. So you have to change back in the form of x. Okay, so first simplify 2 divided by negative 1 dapat negative 2. U power of negative 1, maksudnya u dekat denominator lah. Okay, so u substitutekan balik 2x minus 5 plus c. Okay, so this is substitution method. Okay, next formula method. Okay, so formula method buat macam biasa. So integrate for, okay, since ada x sebagai denominator, kita akan jadikan dia numerator. So for 2x minus 5 squared dx, negative 2. Okay, since kita dah buat yang atas, jadi negative 2. Okay, and then kita differentiate, integrate macam biasa. So dapat 4 bracket 2x minus 5 power increase by 1. Okay, so negative 2 plus 1 dapat negative 1. Okay, divide by differentiate dalam bracket. So differentiate dalam bracket, kita akan dapat 2. Okay, bracket multiply by the new power which is negative 1 plus c. Okay, so simplify your answer. 2 and 4 simplify dapat 2. Therefore, negative 2 over 2x minus 5 plus c. Okay. Okay, so this formula method. Nampak tak? Jawapan dia tetap sama. Okay, so next. Okay, example involving set. Okay. So how you want to integrate involving set which is power of 1 over 2. Okay, so first I using substitution method. Okay, so first step, let u. So let u equal to 12x plus 1. Okay, so second step, you find differentiation of u. So du over dx equal to 12. Okay, so third step, kita nak dx. Okay, so first kita inverse dulu lah. Dx over du equal to 1 over 12. So dx equal to 1 over 12 du. Okay, okay, dah ada 3 step semua ni. Kita substitutekan. So integrate 12 over set. Okay, so set tu jadikan dia power lah, which is 1 over 2. So 12x plus 1 ni adalah u. So u power of 1 over 2 dx. Okay, so dx ni kita substitutekan 1 over 12 du. Okay, substitute kat dalam equation yang asal ni. So 12 over 12x plus 1 ni adalah u. So jadikan u. Set ialah power of 1 over 2. Okay, dx. Since ada dx kat belakang, so substitutekan 1 over 12 du. Okay, and then kita simplify. Jangan integrate dulu, kita simplifykan dulu. So u kena bawa naik atas. Okay, so 12 divided by 12 dah cancel out. Okay, so integrate u power of negative 1 over 2. Bawa naik atas, so dapat du kat sini. Okay, then only kita integrate. So u power of, okay, power increase by 1. So dapat u power of 1 over 2 divided by the new power 1 over 2 plus c. Okay, so kita simplifykan answer. 1 divided by 1 over 2, kita akan dapat 2. Okay, so kat sini adalah 2 u power of 1 over 2 plus c. So final answer mesti in terms of x. Okay, substitute balik u kita tu. So u ialah 12x plus 1. Since this is 1 over 2, power of 1 over 2, so dia adalah square root, which is third. And then plus c. Okay, so the next one is formula method. Okay, formula method kena hafal dia punya formula tu saja. Okay, so integrate 12. Okay, since dia x dekat bawah tak boleh, so kita kena bawa naik atas. Jadi 12x plus 1 power of negative 1 over 2 dx. Okay, so kita start integration. So 12 in bracket, okay, dalam bracket tak berubah apa-apa. So 12x plus 1, power decrease by 1, so dapat power of 1 over 2. Okay, divide by differentiate dalam bracket, which is kita dapat 12. Multiply by the new power. Okay, and then plus c. Okay, so 12 times 1 over 2, kita dapat 6. Okay, so 12 times 1 over 2, kita dapat 6. And then 12 divided by 6, kita dapat 2. So final answer 2 third 12x plus 1 plus c. Okay, so this is indefinite integral when you are given the function in terms of ax plus b power of n.